Well, she is snoring, and she is asleep. So, and this is a blueberry muffin from Sprouts. One of the things that we did get, and boy, it is so good. And this is what I like getting for snacks, and also in the mornings for breakfast. Oh, and that's inside of there is butter. Oh man. And my wife actually makes it warm in the microwave, and this is one of those things where I devour it. Not even 2 minutes later, it's gone. I ate it all. Oh, and it was so good. She's dreaming. Good morning, little girl. We went to the bathroom earlier, and now we're just going to be relaxing until they get back home. They had some errands to run. Mommy and Auntie. Huh. Yeah. You're a good girl. My wife and my sister-in-law had some stuff to get done this morning, so I'll be taking care of Willow for a while. Daddy's proud of you. I'm proud of Willow. Yeah, that's a puppy girl. Yeah, it's a good girl. I know it's loud. Concrete truck. But she's doing really well. Yes, they are pouring concrete right next door, but at least they're going to be getting it done here in a few minutes. Well, a couple of, maybe 45 minutes, maybe. But this one here is being very, very good. I cannot complain. She's being very good. Yeah, it's a good girl. Yeah, that's a good girl. Be back in a couple hours.